What's up? I'm Troubleshoot. Welcome back to another guide. In this quick guide, I'll be showing you how to unlock these chests with eyes on them. If I run up to it, it bounces around, looks at me all skiff, and tells me to go away. How do we get in there? Well, what we need to do is run far enough away that it doesn't see us and it closes its eye. Then we'll hit T to pull up our spells, and we'll be grabbing the Disillusionment spell and placing it in our hotbar, or scrolling to it. Do note that you will need to complete a quest to get this. It's a main story quest, and you'll find links to the quest guide in the description down below. Simply activate this when you're out of sight and sneak your way up to the chest. When you get to it, search it, and we're done. Very simple. This one contains 500, and in fact, most of these seem to contain 500. So they're very useful to loot whenever you find them. You can only open them once, of course. Anyways, that's really about it for this quick guide. Thank you all for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao!